It's time though.
After spending 1 day and 2 nights in Montreal, we hopped back in the car to make the 3-hour and 255-kilometer journey to Quebec City. Quebec City would be a brand new city for both Jives and I to explore. You can also make the journey from Montreal to Quebec City via a bus or frequent train. But seeing as we were traveling during 2021, we felt safer in our own vehicle.
What up, internet?
Hey there, Camera.
Here we are in a car.
We are in a car.
Driving very far.
Very far. Any more rhymes you want to have?
No.
Today, well, in the morning, we woke up in Montreal and decided to climb Montreal. And then at 11 o'clock, we checked out of our Airbnb and had some breakfast, jumped in this here car.
Yeah.
And can you tell the fine internet where we're going?
Are we going to the waterfall?
Well, maybe, yeah. But in general, we are going to
Quebec
Quebec City.
City. You know what province it's in?
No
It's
idea.
in Quebec province.
This
Oh
is
yeah.
the first time you've ever been to Quebec, right?
Yeah.
Or Quebec.
There you go.
Yeah.
I liked Montreal, so I'm assuming I will like Quebec. I'm still nervous about not speaking any French. It might matter more in Quebec City, but maybe not. We'll see.
Come pop.
Pamplemousse. Biblioteca.
Welcome to our new digs. This is the kitchen. I think I have a toilet running. I should probably go stop that. Welcome to our new digs. This is the kitchen area. This is the tired man. Oh my god. The bathroom. This, I think, is the coolest part. We're definitely gonna have to utilize that at some point. Maybe in the middle of the day, because it's kind of cold at night. And then if we go around here, there's nice green chairs, there's a couch, there's a bedroom. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Kind of reminds me of the place we stayed at in Edinburgh, just a little bit. And I reset the clocks because they were off. Anyway, wanna go on an adventure?
Sure. What up, internet?
Hey there, camera. I don't know why you're filming sideways, but maybe you're not. Anyway, hey there, camera. We've made it to Quebec City. And going out for a bit of adventure tonight. Hopefully find a brewery, maybe some dinner. And then the bulk of our adventuring will be tomorrow. But some nighttime adventures for you coming up.
Yeah. no brain, I was thinking, we're here in the afternoon, we'll have lots of
Yeah.
daylight to do this or that.
Well, we are much further north, so. There's a little frog playing a guitar. See it?
I do.
He's cute.
The neck of that instrument is seriously dense.
Yeah.
I mean, some musicians bend the strings, but you've got the whole device wrapped around his belly.
Yeah. Minutes for Christmas. Oh yeah? I didn't see that. That's cool. Yeah. This place is like a church, it seems. There's like the tables and pews, and there's a jade plant. It's really cool. It's a brewery. We're gonna check out a bunch of breweries, hopefully, in Quebec City. I've pinned a bunch of them. Yeah. So I got a stout that has maple syrup in it. Oh my gosh. It tastes like dessert, but it's good. It's really good. And it's maple. It's so Canadian.
That's your jam.
What did you get?
It's an IPA.
I'm gonna try yours. You're not gonna stab me. Yours is amazing. That was really good.
Excellent. Can't wait.
2 stouts up. I mean, not pints.
Same thing.
See? Yeah, we just went into this place. It's the first part of our like beer tour of Quebec City. It was amazing.
We'll see if we can hit enough to make a video out of it.
Yeah, we'll see. If not, well, we'll probably sprinkle it about.
Yeah, sprinkles.
You got an APA.
I sure did.
Is it good?
It is delicious.
Yeah.
Do you mind if I try your stout?
Yeah, of course. It's really good. I'm gonna try yours though, so.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's smooth AF.
It's got that smoky quality that's
Yeah.
really good.
I already know this is really good. It's like the smoothest thing I've ever drank. It's so good. It's called Korrigane. And oh wow, it's really fruity. But it's not as hoppy as the last one we had.
No,
It's really good though.
but smooth.
Yeah.
Smooth is the name of it. There's a giant ceiling fish.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So I just ordered this Hefeweizen from Labrador, and I'm excited to try it out.
Maybe our next trip is further east.
I would like to do that.
That being said, I don't want to drive all the way out there. Maybe we fly? Maybe you learn how to drive my car? One or the other.
Yeah.
We're flying.
Just get a van full of weirdos.